Hello, my name is Bobbi H, and I'm a curator at Fernbank Museum. I'm coming to you from our new exhibition, Maya: Hidden Worlds Revealed. And today, we are going to talk about Maya books. The Maya had a written language and used hieroglyphics and other imagery to record important information on items such as painted vessels, carved stone monuments, and even books. At the time of the Spanish conquest, there were likely hundreds, if not thousands, of Maya books across the Maya regions. Unfortunately, most of these were burned by the invaders, but others likely survived only to deteriorate due to the harsh tropical climate. Today, there are only 4 surviving pre-Hispanic Maya books, which are known as codices. These books describe astronomy, religious beliefs, ritual cycles, ceremonies, and prophecies, all of which played an important role in governing ancient Maya society. A single book is called a Codex, and each book was made from a long, thin strip of the inner bark of a fig tree. The long strip was enfolded accordion style to create individual pages as opposed to rolling out kind of like a scroll. The surface of the bark paper would have been treated with a thin coat of lime plaster, and then Maya scribes would use a variety of different colors to illustrate these books. The color black would have come from carbon from maybe soot, while red would have been from hematite or iron oxide. There was also brilliant blues, greens, and yellows present in varying amounts depending on the individual codex. The reproductions in the case that you see behind me are of the Dresden Codex and the Madrid Codex. Both of these date to a period known as the post-classic period, and it dates to roughly about 1200 to 1400 AD. Scribes were responsible for recording Maya history, particularly the accomplishments of the rulers for whom they worked. In fact, there are images of Maya scribes alongside rulers on elaborately painted vessels, but occasionally archaeologists also find the tools of their trade. The objects in this case beside me are examples of some of those tools. The object in the front is a bone stylus or writing implement, while the object in the back is a halved shell that was used as an inkwell or a paint holder. If you look closely inside the shell, you can see evidence of the red and black paint that is still adhering to the surface. I hope you enjoy learning about Maya codices today. Be sure to visit the exhibit before it closes on May 9th if you want to learn more about the ancient Maya.